Welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. Today I got my PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller in the mail. It actually came about, 10 days early or so? So yeah, Amazon did a pre-order and actually sent it to me a little bit early. So that is awesome. As you can see by the boxes, I'm a huge PlayStation fan. I keep all my original boxes. And I will have the PS5. So I want you guys to subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe. Just pause right now, do that right now, because I'm gonna bring to you guys some really cool PlayStation 5 videos. Not only are we gonna unbox this, on my next video, we're actually gonna tear this controller down completely. We're gonna tear down the PS5 when I get it, and we'll do a lot of other little things. I'm definitely gonna buy one just so I can tinker with it. So, like I said, subscribe and hit that like button, guys. So, with that said, let's get this bad boy unboxed. You guys stay tuned. Okay, let's get this thing unboxed. Got my X-Acto knife here. Be careful not to cut myself. Really excited about this PS5. I haven't been able to secure a pre-order, but I may try to wait in line or just grab it when it does become available, because I don't want to pay the $800 that eBay's charging. That's just ridiculous. All right, so here it is. There it is. So I just want to make sure this is in frame. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you can. Okay, let's get this thing unboxed. I just want to make a cut here. I won't be saving this box, but when I get the PS5, I'll definitely keep that thing. Alright, make it a nice cut. Alright. Let's get this slid out like so. This has been how many years in the making? Woo. All right. Does come with a little manual. I don't think we'll need that. No kind of charger or anything. It's fine. I think everybody has one already. And whoa, look at that. Let me make sure you guys can see it. Alright, so I wanted to unbox and give you guys the closest look I possibly can. So after unboxing, I went ahead and just changed the angle of my camera because I wanted to make sure that you guys saw everything as clear as absolutely possible. So here is the best angle that I can get with my camera. This thing is absolutely stunning. So I just want to go over everything here. You have your L2 and R2 buttons, L1 and R1. And just to give you a comparison, I have the original DualShock controller. So you can see here the button layouts, what the differences are. So you can see these are a little bit shorter here. The R1 this just has a longer width. The R2 buttons are not as curved. And a little bit wider as well. You can see the trackpad is a lot longer. You can see that there. The share and the option button are right here. Check the buttons. They feel about the same. These ones feel a little bit on the new DualSense feel a little bit more responsive. And this is a new controller, by the way, about a month old, so it just only has a little bit of wear. They feel about the same thing, more responsive on the DualSense, but nothing, not too big of a change. PlayStation button is no longer a button, but it's still a button, but it's the actual PlayStation symbol.
and you have a mic off button, which is awesome. I'm so glad they added that. That is a cool feature. You also have your 3.5 millimeter jack. It looks like a charging port here. On the back side, we have a speaker and a reset button there. L3 and R3 feel pretty good. Yes, it definitely takes more effort to push on the old DualShock 4, so it's less effort on the DualSense to push down, which is great, because sometimes you had to use a lot too much force for that. Looks like you got the same speaker up here. I wonder what this is for. Maybe that's a built-in mic, I'm not sure, because I don't see it on this one. And you have your USB-C charging port right at the front. All in all, fantastic controller, really good upgrade. They did a lot of little things to an already good controller to make it even better. Now, this gets into the realm of great. Sony, A+, you did a great job. I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. I want you guys to please like, comment, subscribe. I really do appreciate the videos, the video views. Please subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a lot more PlayStation 5 videos coming soon. I want you guys to stay tuned. Thanks again for watching.